PDF farming. Turn digital content into passive income streams. Welcome to your comprehensive guide on PDF farming, an increasingly popular method for generating income online through strategic creation and distribution of valuable PDF content. I'm Tim Hewitt, and today we're going to explore what PDF farming is, how it works, and most importantly, whether it can truly become a reliable revenue stream for your digital business. PDF farming has emerged as a legitimate digital business model because it offers creators a low-barrier entry into online entrepreneurship. With just basic design software like Canva or even Microsoft Word, anyone can package their knowledge or creativity into a marketable digital product. We'll break down the essential steps to get started, examine the most effective monetization strategies, and address the potential challenges you might face along the way. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage your expertise through PDF products. Understanding PDF farming. The basics. Let's start with the fundamentals. PDF farming is the creation of valuable digital content in PDF format that's distributed through various platforms to generate income. These documents typically contain specialized information, templates, guides, or resources that solve specific problems for your audience. Popular PDF products include printable planners, budget trackers, recipe collections, workout guides, educational ebooks, business templates, checklists, and how-to manuals. These are among the most successful PDF products in today's digital marketplace. Why PDFs? There are several compelling reasons. PDFs are universally accessible. Anyone can open them on any device. They maintain their formatting across all devices, so your design stays consistent. They're simple to create with minimal technical skills, and they can be distributed instantly without physical production or shipping costs. The beauty of PDF farming lies in its accessibility. You don't need advanced technical skills or expensive software to get started. If you have knowledge, expertise, or creativity that others would find valuable, you can package it into a PDF and start generating income. Monetization strategies that actually work. Now let's talk about the 4 main ways to monetize your PDF products effectively. First is direct sales. You can sell PDFs on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Price points typically range from $3 to $20 depending on value and complexity. The key is creating something people would rather buy than make themselves. Second is affiliate marketing. You can embed affiliate links within your PDFs that lead to related products or services. Each time a reader makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission, turning even free PDFs into revenue generators. Third are subscription models. You can offer premium PDF content through membership platforms like Patreon, where subscribers pay monthly for access to new resources, creating predictable recurring revenue. Fourth is lead generation. Use free, high-value PDFs as lead magnets to build your email list, then market higher-ticket products or services to these qualified prospects. The most successful PDF farmers often combine multiple monetization methods, creating diverse income streams from the same content. For example, a fitness expert might offer a free workout guide that contains affiliate links to equipment, while also selling a premium monthly subscription for advanced training plans. Finding your profitable PDF niche. Success in PDF farming starts with finding the right niche. Here's how to identify profitable opportunities. First, identify problems worth solving. Focus on specific pain points your audience faces. Look for areas where people are already spending money but are frustrated with available solutions. Second, research market demand. Validate interest through keyword research and competitor analysis. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or browse successful products on platforms like Etsy to see what's already selling. Third, leverage your existing skills. Build on your expertise and unique knowledge. Your personal experience and specialized knowledge are your biggest advantages in a crowded marketplace. The most profitable PDF farming niches align three critical factors: your personal expertise, existing market demand, and a clear solution to a specific problem. Digital marketers often find success with SEO guides, social media templates, or content calendars. Lifestyle experts might create meal planners or budget trackers, while industry specialists can offer professional templates and frameworks. Look for opportunities where people are already spending money but are frustrated with available solutions. The sweet spot is finding topics complex enough that people will pay for guidance, but not so complicated that you can't create comprehensive resources. Creating high-converting PDF products quality is everything when it comes to PDF products. Here's how to create PDFs that actually convert browsers into buyers. Professional design is crucial. Use tools like Canva, Adobe InDesign, or even Google Docs with templates to create visually appealing layouts. Consistent branding, readable typography, and strategic use of color significantly impact perceived value. Your content must be valuable. Provide actionable information that delivers immediate results. Include exclusive insights, step-by-step instructions, and practical examples that can't be easily found with a quick Google search. Focus on user-friendly formatting. Organize content logically with clear sections, interactive elements when possible, and fillable forms or templates that enhance usefulness. Make sure your PDF is optimized for both desktop and mobile viewing. Finally, test and refine continuously. Gather feedback from initial customers and continuously improve your products based on real user experience. The most successful PDF farmers regularly update their offerings. Remember that your PDF's perceived value directly influences what customers are willing to pay. Investing time in professional design and comprehensive content upfront leads to higher conversion rates and better reviews, creating a positive cycle for your digital product business. Marketing your PDF products effectively. Even the most valuable PDF won't sell itself. Successful PDF farming requires consistent strategic marketing across multiple channels. Pinterest marketing has proven especially effective for digital products due to its visual nature and search functionality. Create visually appealing pins that showcase your PDF's benefits and link directly to your sales page. Many top PDF sellers report that over 70% of their traffic comes from Pinterest alone. Content marketing is equally important. Publish blog posts or videos related to your PDF topic to demonstrate expertise and drive organic traffic. This builds trust and positions you as an authority in your niche. Email campaigns are essential for building relationships. Build a targeted list and nurture relationships with valuable free content before promoting paid products. Your email list becomes one of your most valuable business assets. Don't underestimate social proof. Highlight customer testimonials and reviews to build credibility and trust with potential buyers. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly increase conversion rates. Consider offering a free, light version of your PDF to showcase your quality and build trust before asking for a purchase. This strategy allows potential customers to experience your work firsthand, significantly increasing conversion rates on premium offerings. Overcoming common PDF farming challenges. While PDF farming offers tremendous potential, it's not without challenges. Let's address the most common obstacles and how to overcome them. Market saturation in popular niches means you'll need to either find underserved topics or significantly outperform competitors in design and utility. Differentiation through unique expertise or superior design is essential. Copyright concerns are real. Always ensure you're using properly licensed fonts, images, and templates to avoid copyright issues that could derail your business. When in doubt, create original content or purchase proper licenses. Limited visibility is a common struggle for new creators. Remember that marketing is often more important than creation. Plan to spend at least 50% of your time promoting your products rather than just making new ones. Building an audience takes time, so maintain consistent efforts across multiple platforms for maximum exposure. The key to overcoming these challenges is treating PDF farming like a real business. Track your metrics, focus on customer satisfaction, and continuously improve based on feedback and results. Getting started, your PDF farming action plan. Let's create a practical roadmap for launching your PDF farming business. Week 1 is for research and planning. Identify 3 to 5 potential PDF product ideas, analyze competition and pricing strategies, and select your initial product focus. Weeks 2 to 3 are for creation. Design your PDF using appropriate tools, create sales copy and product images, and set up accounts on selling platforms. Week 4 is for launch and promotion. List your product on chosen platforms, create Pinterest pins and social media posts, and announce to your existing network. Ongoing efforts focus on scale and expansion. Analyze sales data and customer feedback, create complementary products, and build your email list for future launches. PDF farming is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a legitimate business model that rewards consistency and quality. Start with one exceptional product rather than rushing to create multiple mediocre ones. Focus on solving a specific problem exceptionally well, and let customer feedback guide your future offerings. Remember that success in PDF farming comes from treating it like a real business. Track your metrics, continually improve your products, and reinvest in marketing as you grow. With dedication and strategic planning, PDF farming can become a sustainable part of your online income strategy. Our AI Online Business Builder Challenge will teach you everything you need to know to create a successful online business leveraging AI and unique content. Check it out at the link in the description. That's your complete guide to PDF farming. Start with one great product, focus on your audience's needs, and build from there. Success comes to those who combine quality content with consistent marketing efforts.